Jenson Gamer TV, and we are opening the Ultimate Magical family gift set. And we are gonna open this that I got it from Target, and I really wanted it because it has Camilo right here on. He is last on the play set, but I still need to get the house I see in the back here. So let's open it. So I'll just open it. I'm just bringing the back. So this. Now this is the whole back. I just took off it. Now probably the front will be more easier to get open it. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this will take a while. Oh, I was saying background as my last one that you guys in the other video. I mean, I'm just kidding. There's not another video. I'm testing out all these videos, so no worries. Don't need to worry. I did already 3 videos, so let's see if this will open or not. Let's see. Ooh, let's get out someone. Let's see to get a mirror out. Oh, we got her accordion. There it is. There we go. We got Mirabelle. Now try to get Camilo. Okay, this guy's here. I don't know if you can see it, but I can. Ooh, we did it. We got Camilo. Look at him. Oh, we can take off his poncho. As you know, guys, I'm 6 years old and I'm making all these videos. The last video I think I was 6 still, or I was 5. I don't know. It was a long time. And here he is. It's Camilo. Okay. Now let's try to get Bruno out. What? We shouldn't have. We're not supposed to get Bruno out. Wait, we're not supposed to talk about Bruno. There we go. We got Bruno. Wait. Camilo also changed this into Bruno. And then interchange to Bruno. There he is. Is that Bruno or no? Link down in the comments. It's actually Camilo. Send that in the comments. Let's get the accordion out that Mirabelle needs. Wait, can Mirabelle actually hold it? Or can she not hold it? Oh wait, Camilo has a little lizard guy, so probably it should be on the shoulder. It's on the shoulder. What is the recording supposed to be for me, right? Now let's get the papa out. And right here we got a water. That's Camilo's mouth. I know. I didn't say that. Hi, Mirabelle. I'm not Mirabelle. Who are you? There you go. Kick his bomb. Now let's try to get Isabella, which is a girl. It's a Mirabelle sister. Now we can just bend her. I'm gonna do some sit-ups. Doing sit-ups. Wait, speaking of setups, we need to get Louisa out. Yeah, let's get her. Oh, Bruno. Sorry, Bruno. But after this, we're gonna find Encanto Roblox. So I hope it's working now because last time it was not working. So I'm gonna try it out. It's Louisa. She's super strong. Yeah, we almost got everybody. We just need 4 more, then we're done. But I feel like it's one of the little guys now. The magic candle too. Yeah, it's Abuela. And she can also do some sit-ups. Come on, need the magic candle, and here we go. It's supposed to go in Abuela's hand. Yes, so she's holding the magic candle like a baby. Like my mommy has right now. I have a baby. Her name is Mariah. Like Mariah Carey. And it's Cheesy. And Antonio, the cutest one. Wait, it's Camille's brother though. But he's a bit more smaller. He looks a bit more bigger to me. We're missing Felix also. Where's Felix? Oh, this is Boyetta. But she starts with a J, but it's just in Spanish, okay? She doesn't start with an H. It's in Spanish, Julieta. Not Julieta. It's Julieta. Okay, this is all of them. This is the whole family. What happened? The lights just went off. What happened? Okay, guys. Let's turn it off right now. We have to turn this video off. Okay, bye.